If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika. I am here with another purse. I hope you guys are not getting tired of these purses. I have quite a few ideas for them, so I'm slowing down though. So there are only a couple more left. But I wanted to share with you guys purse number 5 in my series. I'll put the playlist down below. I will have a tutorial up on later this week, Wednesday or Friday, I'm not sure. It will be a tutorial. It won't be a live this time because I've had bronchitis for the last 7 days, and it's hard for me to exert a lot of energy. Sometimes I get too excited and I really don't want to be coughing through the live. Hold on. So I decided to just do a recording and have it up for you guys. So I'm feeling much better, so I wanted to go ahead and get this purse out to you guys. So I'm going to share with you the items that I used for this purse and what you'll be needing for your purse if you want to recreate this. So here we go. You're going to need some pattern paper. I use this Dear Diary by Mente. It's a 12 by 12. You won't need a whole bunch, but you need some pattern paper. Some coordinating cardstock. I use this black heavyweight cardstock. I use some eyelets. You can also use brads. You can also put a gem, some hot glue and a gem. It's for the handle. It's non-functional. It's just a decorative element, but I use these black eyelets. For my closure piece, I use a magnet disc. You can also use Velcro. You need a piece of sandpaper or emery board that you use to do your nails because the purse is a half moon. We'll be tracing and fussy cutting. But if you have dies and a die cutting machine or digital cutting machine, you can definitely make your circles and you don't have to worry about this. But for those of us that are fussy cutting, which is the purpose of this video, to make this purse without any dies or cutting files, you'll need some sandpaper or a nail file emery board to get your edges smooth and shaped just right. I use a little sentiment from this Mombi stickers pack. And I use some trim. Now, I wanted my purse to be super shabby, so that's why I use trim, because my edges look great without it, because I use the sandpaper. But if you find that you fussy cut a little wonky, you can also use trim or, flat back pearls or something to go along the edge to conceal that a little bit, and no one would be the wiser. You need some feet. I use the large ends of the flat back pearls. You'll need 4 of them, and they coordinate with my black cardstock base. I also used lace bits and little lacy frilly crochet things. So let me show you how we're going to trace this out, what you need to trace this out. So there's a couple ways that you can trace out your circle. So use this time to try to find something. My diameter is 7 inches round. So I use this from Target. This is a little tier tray from the Target dollar bin, and this diameter is 7 inches around. This is what I use to trace on my cardstock so that we can cut that out a few times and make our purse. So we cut this in half again. It's 3.5 inches, and that's how we made the purse. If you don't have this or something round, if you don't have it in 7 inches in diameter, find something round so that you can trace it out and you can substitute your own measurements. The measurements and things that I'm giving you are for a diameter of 7 inches. Another way that you can get the circle, if you don't have a die that's 7 inches or you're not using your file, you can even, if you want to use your file, just cut out a 7-inch circle on your machine, or print out a circle in Word that's 7 inches. So create a circle shape, fill it in, print it out, and you can fussy cut that around, and that's what you can use as a template. Whatever you use, just make sure you cut it out like on some heavyweight cardstock so you can duplicate it a few more times. Try not to cut it out on thin paper because it'll, tear throughout the course. So, but yeah, the circle is 7 inches. But again, the way that I'm going to show you how to do it, you can substitute measurements for whatever purse that you like. Enough jibber jabbering. Let me show you what I made. So cute! I think this is adorable. I better not get too excited. Love it so much. So this could be it stands, obviously, because we have our little feet at the bottom. This could be a gift box, or it could be home decor, or you can load it up with goodies and give it away into a scrappy friend's place, give it to them, and then they can keep it as decor or what have you. I mean, if you make it sturdy enough, you can make it and wear it with an outfit. I'm just saying, use some heavyweight paper. So I have just some lace bits over here, some seam binding, this little ruler paper, some what do you call this, twine. And here are the eyelets. I said they weren't functional, so they're up there to coordinate everything together. Have pearls all the way around. And then I have loaded up some lace. This is the convenience of my silhouette snippet. My little lace bucket is literally right there, and I just was pulling stuff out, and it was so convenient. So if you haven't seen that mason jar lace holder that I created, I'll have the snippet down below in the description box. But I put some more pearls around the edges here and some more lace. Pop this up on some dimensionals that says friends. Excuse me. And then I have some doilies and lace bits from my stash, a little bling piece. Cute. This is the back. Love, love, love. And then this is where I use my magnet. It's hidden. You can't see it because I added it. It's on the inside of these two layers. So just close it up. It's held on there pretty good. So love that. And then the inside, look at that. Super cute. I matted the bottom scoop here. And then I have some tissue paper in there just to give you guys an idea of what it would look like when the recipient opens it. Just super darling. I love it. The paper, I purchased the paper. I liked it, but I didn't know what to do with it. So I thought this was a good use of the paper. Kind of those elements are gorgeous. Broken up like that. That's that. So I hope you guys will tune in and watch the tutorial. I'm so sad that I'm not able to do it live, but maybe we'll see, maybe by the end of the week how that works. But anyway, be sure you get all of your elements together that you'll need for this project. Again, you need cardstock, pattern paper, very simple thing. Cardstock, pattern paper. Oh, I forgot your adhesive. I would use double-sided tape or HEG tape on putting this this main part, these moons together. Hot glue just will be clumpy and it won't work because you have to take your time to kind of curve that around. So I'll show you guys how to do that. But I did use hot glue obviously on the lace elements and then to attach these two pieces together, so in the handle. So you can pull out your hot glue, but I would definitely also pull out some HEG tape. Of course, your paper trimmer, scissors, cardstock, pattern paper. You'll need your feet and a closure piece and whatever elements you're going to use to decorate this box. So yeah, I think it's super cute. So if you guys haven't checked out all the purses, hold on, I'll get them for you. All right, in no particular order, we have the satchel. Everything will be linked down below in the description box with the cute little pocket in there. And then the satchel opens up like this. So many of you created this. Ooh, I forgot to take these goodies out. I display this on my shelves, but I do want to reuse my goodies that I use as an example. But yeah, so many people of you showed me your interpretations of this, and they are so, so lovely. So that's one. And we have the 6-compartment purse, which I think this might be my favorite. A lot of you guys recreated this one as well. 6 compartments wrapped up into a cute little purse. Both of these made with no dyes, just your basic supplies at home. So we have the satchel, the 6-compartment purse. We have my lunch bag purse that people don't think it's a lunch bag, but it is a lunch bag purse. That's what I'm calling it. And Velcro, open up to reveal. A bunch of slots for you guys to put embellishments in. So that's the 3rd one. 4th one was just up last week, and it's this Hexagon purse. I mean, I am loving these shape purses. Obviously, this is where the new inspiration comes from. And this handle just goes down. Lift this up, and then it's a cute little purse / gift box in there. Again, I mean, this might be my favorite. I don't know. I keep changing my mind over and over. I'm not sure. So we have that one. That's purse number 4. And finally, we have the Halfmoon Bag running us at purse number 5. And I already have my little sample over here. I dare not show you for the next one because it is wretched, but it's in the making. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying these again, and I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to show you guys all my little purses. All of the links for all of these tutorials will be down in the description box. So get your purse on, make you some good gift bags for people, and let them know that you care in style. Alright guys, I will see you this week with a tutorial, a silhouette snippet, and one other video. Alright, bye-bye.